you have the option for the SU alternate grading in the spring 2021 semester. This video reviews some of those frequently asked questions on SU grading. You can begin opting in on April 22, 2021 through URSA, and the deadline for changes is May 19, 2021 at 5 p.m. You might want to set a reminder now. First, I can't say this enough, use your resources. URSA provides your most official student information, such as your final grades, not Canvas. DegreeWorks shows your degree requirements and who your advisors are. And your advisors, success coaches, and mentors can talk through the SU decision with you. SU is an alternate grading option from the standard letter grade you usually receive. Opting into SU for a course means your transcript will show a U, an S, or an S+, depending on the letter grade you earned and your student status. For undergraduate students, an F turns into a U. D-, D, and D+ turn into an S, and C- and higher turn into an S+. So if you earned an A in the class and you opt into SU for that course, your A will turn into an S+. For graduate students in those master's and PhD programs, C- and below turn into a U. C and C+ turn into an S, and B- and up turn into S+. Your graduate programs might require a B- or S+ to count towards your degree, so consult your advisor before opting into SU for any course. You can opt into SU for one, two, all, or none of your classes this semester. You get to pick and choose the combination. You also get to wait and see your final grades before deciding, because that deadline is May 19th, 5 p.m. So look at your final grades through URSA after May 12th before deciding which classes you want to SU in, if any. Some majors, programs, and funding sponsors require letter grades. You need to check if your program or financial aid has any letter requirements. You will see the option in URSA under your grades section to select which courses you want to SU on. This will take you to a form where you need to submit your bear number and the course information. As a reminder, CRN is the 5-digit number unique to each of your sections. Course prefix is the 3 to 4 letter subject, and course number is the 3-digit number we often refer to our classes as. Remember, you can pick and choose which classes you opt in for, so you might want an S instead of a D+ in one class, but keep your A in another. While SU does not change your GPA directly, those classes aren't used in our calculations. They will impact your grade point average. Every letter grade you earn receives quality points on a 4.0 scale per credit hour. We divide your quality points by the GPA hours on your transcript. Incompletes, withdrawals, and non-letter courses, like SU, are not counted in that GPA hour total. So if you take SU in a few classes, those points and hours don't exist in our GPA math, so your totals will be a little different. Ask your advisor or success coach to help you calculate that out. If you choose SU for a grade replacement course, that SU will replace the previous grade you earned. Depending on that quality point and GPA hour math, you might see more impact if you replace your lower letter grade with a higher letter grade. You can read way more frequently asked questions and get more information at this website. Log into URSA to download your unofficial transcript and your final grades first to think over if you want to use SU in any classes. Then check with your advising team and ask questions. The deadline is May 19th at 5 p.m.